Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You already have data. Start now by confirming two numeric columns, X and Y. Once done, clean out blanks and text entries using filter or query because CORREL needs numbers only. Next, highlight the exact ranges and include headers for reference, but use the numeric range in the formula. Make sure ranges are equal length. If not, trim or filter so they match. Now move to an empty cell where you'll enter the CORREL formula to compute the Pearson coefficient. You type equals CORREL, A2, A100, B2, B100 to get the Pearson coefficient. You can also use equals Pearson for identical results. Once entered, press enter and interpret the output. Values near 1 indicate strong positive correlation, near -1 strong negative, and around 0 little linear correlation. If your dataset updates, wrap ranges in array formula or filter to keep the formula dynamic. If you expect missing data, include IFER to display you finalize by validating the result. Create a scatter chart with your X and Y ranges to see the relationship visually, because correlation measures linear association only. Once done, inspect for outliers or nonlinear patterns. If present, consider transforming data with log or differences and recompute CORREL. If you get errors, make sure both ranges are numeric and exactly the same length, and remove stray text or spaces. A single outlier can change the coefficient dramatically. Check before trusting the number.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.